Wherever I am, at home in North Carolina or traveling the streets of Istanbul or Brooklyn, I search for the bond of connection that comes when one thing exists in relation to another. I delight in finding form, discovering duality, capturing expected and unexpected unions along this random experience called life. Some doubles are barely together and tenuous. Others appear inseparable, even inevitable. I look for coincidences of unity. Much has been said about the elemental nature of two. There's the obvious egg and sperm, Adam and Eve, yin and yang, day and night, up and down, inhale and exhale, birth and death. But DoubleVisions is a look at the lighter side. Cars, fruits, beaches, and mannequins. It's a playful and poignant world where connection and nonconformity intersect.